It's official. My marching orders.
With us, you have learned too much.
Get out.
Our marching orders in Boston was basically take care of the problem.
So we've gotten our marching orders. He would use that phrase.
And I get it. You got your marching orders and you have to do what you have to do. But you don't have to be such a dick. Put that on a plaque and hang it at your next job.
English Idiom Challenge. What does marching orders mean? Correct answer is to be told to leave a job or position. Marching orders means being dismissed or fired from a job, or told to leave a position or place. Examples. After missing too many deadlines, he finally got his marching orders from the boss. The coach gave the underperforming player his marching orders after the last game. Like and subscribe for more idioms.